In this video, we're going to learn how to increase the number of stitches in a row. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. I am near the end of a row of single crochet stitches. If my pattern calls for an increase, I would make 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. So I'll make a single crochet in this stitch, and then I'll insert my hook into the same stitch and make another single crochet. I've now increased the number of stitches in the row by 1. If I were doing a row of double crochet stitches and needed to increase, I would do the same thing. Make 1 double crochet and then make another double crochet in the same stitch. The increase is made the same way whether you're at the beginning of a row, the end of a row, or in the middle of a row. And it doesn't matter if you're doing single, half double, double, or treble stitches. An increase in crochet is made the same way for every type of stitch. You simply put 2 stitches in the same stitch. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.